Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BIOC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today the price made a really nice move. I mean, when you consider where the price was yesterday, and then you look at where the price closed today, any rational person would say, yeah, the bulls definitely made a very good move on the day. But that does lead to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea. But like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And this can all be managed by looking at a single level. And to best illustrate this, I do want to scrunch up a chart here just a little bit. I guess that's too much. We'll leave it right. We'll leave it right like that. And that level is going to be here at, let's see, what is that? 31 cents. Why is 31 cents so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine strength, with true power, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, a price movement with true power is not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 31 cents. Any sort of closes below it or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this big old range that the price has been trapped below. However, let's say the price pulls back and then does something like this, and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this base of lows down there. If you picture each of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction, not going back to where it was. I mean, think about it. Like I said, this was a big old range that the price has been trapped in. To see the price go back inside of that, that's just not a sign of true strength at all. However, if the price can make progress, and in this situation, I am defining and quantifying the phrase progress as 31 cents, then that's going to be a great sign of strength going forward. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, key level right now right up there at that 36 cent mark. You can see on a couple of different occasions, including the final 30 minutes, bulls try to get up through there. I'm just kind of quickly talking about levels of resistance because in my opinion, breaking levels of resistance, not really the huge priority right now. Top priority right now is going through healthy consolidations and then building higher bases, because as long as higher bases are being built over time, everything else will take care of itself. So focus on those higher lows and then just sit back and let the chart do its thing. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.